I've had several comments very emphasized about stretching one side more than the other, not just equally stretching out every single side. And I'm going to explain why and how important that is. First, muscle leading to an internal rotation. That means, of course, and the different muscles back into that external rotation, back into this external rotation position. But here's the thing, the main thing, the issue with this internal rotation is if you had it a long time chronic issue, the whole body has been compensating and leading into this upper body rotation, okay? And if you only stretch out that muscle, and yes, this might come back a little bit of help, but the whole torso, the main rotation problem is still remaining. And that is why I always emphasize stretch more, spend more time on the stiff side so that the main compensation problem can come back to its place. So when you work out, same thing, strengthening, make sure you do it with purpose and figure out which side is the weak side and strengthen more, spend more time on that side. If I have a rotational problem in the hip, and which is basically, let's say it's because of my hip flexor, my quad is dominant and the whole front chain is dominant, pulling my whole hip that way, then I have to strengthen the front chain of my left side more. If I do it both sides equally, then this rotation will remain the same, okay? So you have to think of it as a three-dimensional thing. This and this, it's like a puzzle, okay? So think about it as a whole group, not only focusing on one side.